Oke, bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Okay, good morning everyone.
Good morning.
How's your life today?
Good.
Okay. Let's before start our class, pray by basmalah together. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Hello guys, who is absent today?
A lot of students.
A lot of students. Okay. Actually, they have this SNI certificate in outside, so I must teach you only a few students, yeah. And then so this is the first time a little students in this class. Okay. For now, can you tell me about your experience when you do the CCNA test in IDN network or others? Maybe who wants to explain?
Maybe Fuza. Wah, Fuza. Fresh Sienna.
Okay, I will choose you, Gundur, maybe. Because you are the first, right?
Yes.
Yeah. Okay, I choose you. Okay. Okay, there is mic, you can tell about it. There is
Actually,
mic. Yeah.
it's very challenging certification because we all prepared at least around 4 months. 4 months, and then we need to learn many concept of routing.
Yeah.
Routing, we must to learn like the concept of quality of service, about the automation, about the security, and moreover, we need to memorize. We need to learn the dumb of the question, and actually the exam is more easy. It's more easy than Mas Umar post test, but the pressure that you need, the pressure that I feel, it's very big because we pay almost 6 million for get the CCNA certification, but when I get the certification, it's like plong.
Flong. Oh, okay, that's wonderful for you.
Yeah.
Yeah, okay, thank you. Congratulations for you all. You got the CCNA certificate, right? Alhamdulillah. You are think. Oh, you are okay. And then so let's back to our activity, or this is the learning about present continuous. Yeah. So who knows about present continuous? Who knows? Okay. Can you tell me about the function of present continuous, brother?
Present continuous. The function of present continuous is to tell the events that are ongoing right now.
Ongoing right now. Okay, good. Others maybe? Who knows? Okay, I wanna explain about this material. Yeah, it's okay. Yeah, present continuous. This topic, we will talk about knowing about present continuous, able to make sentence in present continuous, build confidence, exercise, and conclusion. Yeah, we have 5 parts. Yeah, and the first is, what is the present continuous? The present continuous tense is used to describe actions happening right now. Yeah, as like usual, the father said, this is happening is right now. Yeah, and then so temporary actions or situations. The future plans with a time reference. Yeah, this is with the time reference. Can be talk about the future, but using the time reference. Yeah, okay. And then the example is, I'm studying English now. I'm studying English now. Are you studying English now?
Yes.
Yeah, okay. And then so she is working at the cafe this week. This is the example, yeah. And then so we are meeting them tonight. Yeah, for tonight is nanti malam. Yeah, can be present continuous. Yeah. Okay, next. What? Yeah. Yeah.
If present continuous without time reference, that's still continuous or
Can be, but using the function is right now, yeah, no future, yeah.
oh.
Okay, yeah, it's like this. She is working at the cafe. No use this week, yeah. It's okay, yeah.
Still doing now.
Yeah, still doing. It's like Mr. Heru is explaining the material, but there is no time, yeah. Can be, yeah.
Using verb ing.
Huh? Using verb ing. Later, yeah. After this, I will explain you about the formula. Okay, and then so the function of present continuous, we use the present continuous to talk about action happening at the moment. He's talking on the phone and describe temporary situation. They are staying in Bali. temporary ya. And then talk about change and trends. It is getting colder. And then so talk about plan future events. I'm meeting my friends tomorrow. This is only for what is that? The example. Yeah. Next, structure of present continuous for the positive sentence. Actually, we have four structures. Yeah. But right now we focus on positive sentence. Yeah. Okay, to be there are is are and base verb. Yeah, base verb you can use the verb ing ya. Verb ing. Base verb ya. Spesial. Let's see a few example. Can you spot the formula? Yeah, it's like this. The first is I'm reading because the subject I and then so the partner is am ya. And then use the verb ing ya. This is only I'm reading is okay, that the present continuous. But if you want to use the object, a fascinating book about space exploration, that is for complement, yeah. Okay, it's like she is dancing gracefully in the ballet class, yeah. If you want to use is dancing gracefully, that's better, yeah. But in the ballet class, this is the function of object of place, yeah, tempat, yeah. And then so they are playing soccer at the park after school. Yeah, this is verb ing. The partner is are. Yeah. Okay. Until now, the structure of positive. Do you understand? Understood. Yeah. Next, this is the negative sentence. Okay, wait. Okay. After to be, you can put not. Still using verb ing. Yeah. It's like she is not wearing a red dress. Sorry, she is not. Yeah, this is the function of negative. It's like others. You are not. What is that? You are not examining ya. Atau enggak in Indonesia, saya tidak sedang ujian ya, seperti itu. Okay. Next, this is interrogative sentence. Do you know what is the interrogative sentence? Pertanyaan ya. Or questions. Okay, good. Or question. Okay, for the interrogative sentence, for the first is you can put am is are for the first. And then after that subject. And the last is verb ing. If you want to put the object after verb ing, that's okay. Never mind, yeah. Okay, it's like are you eating lunch in the cafeteria today? Yeah. Are you? This is the to be. You subject, eating is verb ing. Lunch, this is for the complement. Yeah. Okay. Until now, for the positive, negative, and the interrogative, do you understand? Understand? Yeah. There is no explaining or asking question. No. Okay. We want to practice for this question. Let's continue for our, what is that? Exercise, yeah? Using the present continuous. The present continuous can use for describing picture. Special for describing picture, I want to use this chapter, yeah? And then so this part can be tips and tricks, the example of describing picture, and then so later you can get the occasion for describing picture, yeah? The next is, no. This is the tips and tricks for describing picture. Please do or lakukan. Look at the picture carefully and take a few moments to think before you start talking. You need to think, right? Before you start for explaining the picture. And the second is talk for all the time you are given. If you have 1 minute to do the task, use every second. If you have 1 minute only, yeah. And then the next is practice the useful language below so you can explain which part of the picture you are talking about. Yeah. Later, after you think, and then so you have the time, directly you can explain or describe the picture. And the next is don't. Don't is jangan lakukan, yeah. Don't do. The first is panic. Yeah, actually we have panic, right? If there is sudden for describing or speech. Yeah. Panic if you don't know the words for all the things in the picture. You don't need to know all the words for everything in the picture. If you know what to say when you don't know an exact word. Actually, some students or some people if they want to explain about something, they forget the words or the vocabulary. That's true? That's true. Okay. The simple way, you can change the others sentence. Yeah. Okay. The second is get distracted and start talking about something else. Focus on the photo or picture. Just focus on the photo or picture. Yeah. Okay. And the next is panic if your mind goes blank. If you panic, you will get blank in your mind. That's true? Yeah. Okay. And take a deep breath, look at the picture and start again. Okay, take a deep breath and then so look at the picture, then start again. Yeah. Okay, I will give you the example of picture. Yeah. Okay, the example of the picture. Yeah. Okay, this is the picture and this is the explaining about this picture. There are three people in this picture. They are in the kitchen. They might be family. They are father, mother, and daughter. The woman is preparing meal for her family. That's right? Yeah. Okay, the man is holding a glass of drink and the child is asking for the meal. Yeah? Behind the man, there is a cabinet. Behind the child, there is a window and sink. Yeah? And I can see vegetables on the table in front of them. Okay, this is using present continuous, right? The woman is preparing, the man is holding a glass, and the child is asking for the meal. Yeah, that's really right, using the present continuous? Yeah, okay. And next, there is three pictures, so I want to choose you for explaining this picture. Okay. I want to choose Zulfikar. Okay.
The picture one.
Okay, you can choose. Up to you. You can hear. Okay. Okay. Which picture do you want to use to explain?
I want to use this.
Okay.
Picture.
Good.
Okay. I think in here there is two people.
Yeah?
That's the father in here. I look still he like doing phone,
Yeah.
the telephone with some people while reading some chart in here.
Yeah, okay.
And then the child is like boring with boring face while eating like cereal, I think.
Like eating cereal.
Yes.
And then? Or enough, maybe?
I think enough.
Enough, okay. Can you choose one for your friends? Abil, please. Okay. Okay, the last, Abil. Okay. Choose one of them. One. Three. Okay, number three, please. You can explain for number three.
In the picture, there are 6 people. There is teacher, and then the other people that maybe the teacher students, and they are drawing in the class. Maybe drawing some picture like animals and others.
Okay.
And they are drawing using what?
Paper or color?
Paper, and then what is the name?
Quas.
Kuas
Okay.
and kuas. Yeah, maybe that's.
That's all. Thank you very much. Okay. That is the function of example, yeah, the present continuous. Not only for speaking, yeah, but not only for our condition, yeah, the real condition, but you can tell about the picture also, yeah. Okay. Any question for our topic today? No. If there is no, I will give you what? Okay. This game's name is Grab Me or Pick Me Up, yeah. If there is some word of pineapple, you can take that food, yeah. This is storytelling. Okay, just focus and listen carefully, yeah. Just focus and listen carefully. Someday, okay, please carefully. Someday, I go to the market with my mother.
Yeah.
And that place, we buy something food. It's like chicken, it's like vegetables, it's like snack, and some fruits. That's like apple. Pineapple ya. No, apple ya. Pineapple, only pineapple. Sorry. Only pineapple ya. Only pineapple. And then so there is orange, grape, and mango.
Yeah.
And my mother asked me to take some apple and pineapple. And pineapple. Okay, next. And pineapple. Wait, next. But I cannot take that fruits.
Why?
Because my hands, it's cannot take, but my hand is short. You know?
Yes.
And I asked for the seller, please take that pineapple. No, that's pineapple for my mothers. That's my story. Okay, that is enough. Thank you. Okay, guys, I think enough for our material today. I hope you can understand for the function of present continuous, and then you can improve your speaking skill with the describing picture or others. And then so close by hamdalah together. Alhamdulillah Rabbil Alamin. See you and wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam.